Hello and welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do the coffee painting. So for doing this you will need coffee. It is a very main ingredient. So before we start the video, do subscribe to our channel and make sure there is no pieces of coffee in your coffee paste. So just press it like this, and now take your drawing sheet or 300 GSM sheet and half it up, and now mix your coffee in water and take very little coffee because we need very light shade of the coffee, and mix the coffee. Make sure it is the super light shade of the coffee. Take very little coffee. If that much paste doesn't give nice shade, then you can add more. But firstly take very less shade, and now fill that in your largest flat brush and start applying them on your sheet. It will look so light, but we want only this much shade. I have taken 300 GSM drawing sheet. If you don't have this, then you can also use normal sheet. And now I have applied on all the surface, and now let it dry. And meanwhile it is drying, make a more paste of it using some more coffee in that paste only. And now my sheet is dried, so let us make some marks for worries. First take a few 2-3 finger gap from the top and mark a point here. Then again take a 5 centimeter gap from the top and again mark a point. And then come to the bottom, again take 1 or 2 finger gap and mark a point. Again take 2 finger gap and mark a point. And then a bit up, just draw a semicircle like a half sun, because we are drawing the beach scene, so our half sun should be visible. And now here draw a slanting curved line like a swing, and here when you have marked the second point from the bottom, mark somewhere here. Here we are going to draw the trees, so make a shape like trees. And yeah, now we have marked very much points. Now take a bit more coffee, this much or this much, mix it using water, and this time take less water because we need now darker shade of the coffee. And now take that coffee into the brush and start applying from the bottom to only the first point we have marked. Now you can see it is bit light, so you can take it up now. We have only to check the shade because this whole painting is dependent upon the coffee shade. If the shade comes darker earlier, then our painting will ruin, or if so light shade will come, then also it's so big problem. So we are checking the shades first. And also do subscribe to my channel for more new updates. And now you can see I have did it both on the top and on the bottom also. Now takes a bit more coffee and mix in that solution only, and let this paper dry, then we will move further. And yeah, now my paper is dried and I have also mixed some more coffee. And now take your medium sized brush, it can be 8 or 7 number brush, and now take the coffee in it again. And we have drawn the trees here. Start painting those trees using this coffee. Make sure it is a darker shade than the background one. If it is not, then mix some more coffee in it. And make sure that your trees are not touching bottom line. Do same with the tree here. And yeah, meanwhile it is drying, mix some more coffee in that paste. And yeah, now meanwhile it's drying, again take your mixture of coffee and start applying on the bottom. We have marked the first point here. Make sure you are applying it till there only. Now do same with the top part also. And we have marked our swing line here. Start applying this mixture to there also. Make it a bit thick from here and more curvy from middle and less thinner from the sides. Now let this page fully dried, then we will make the upper portion of these trees. So friends, now I have my paper is already dried and I have drawn the stems of my palm tree. And now take any tool like this or any kitchen spoon and make a really dark shade of your coffee and take that into the spoon and start making leaves using this. This will help us making thin leaves very easily. And like this, make all the tree leaves and also do a outline of your painting using this black marker. So yes friends, now I have did outline and also made the trees, but now our sun is left. So we all have this whitener or white gel pen. So now make your sun using this, or you can also use white poster colors. So yes friends, now our sunset coffee painting is ready. Thanks for watching and do not forget to subscribe my channel.